Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed or if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. I'm Jubebe. So today I want to address this issue that some of you have been asking me in my DMs. How to start a YouTube channel if you don't know how to. Did you get that? Like, you want to start, like you really want to start, but you don't know how to. Let me ask you one question. Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? If you answer that question and you know your reason for starting a YouTube channel or your objective, then we can proceed. Now you want to start your YouTube channel, you've decided, but you don't have a niche. You don't have a content idea. You don't have a camera, but you have your phone. If you have your phone, you can just start with your phone. You don't have to use a camera. Like even me, I'm shooting on my phone. I don't have a camera. Start with what you have to get what you don't have. You don't need to have a perfect camera or an expensive phone, or you don't need to be a guru. Just start. I know most of you watching this video, you've watched also a lot of videos from YouTube experts, YouTube gurus, or even your favorite content creators concerning this topic. But why haven't you started? You're still stuck. Or are you still searching for the perfect niche? Are you still learning how to edit YouTube videos? Oh, maybe you are still searching for trending topics, trending keywords. What is your reason for not starting? Or is it fear? Is it that your fear of starting is holding you back? Are you afraid of putting yourself out there? Guys, let me tell you and let me be honest with you. You can never be perfect from the start. You have to start the way you are and learn as you grow. Because the moment you continue researching, you'll be researching, watching Think Media, watching who else? Think Media, vidIQ, and tons of videos, guys. And if you're not taking any action, then how do you expect to grow? How do you expect to grow if you're not starting? I know sometimes it's hard because I've been there personally. So just start, guys. The best advice I would give you is to stop consuming and start creating. Stop consuming and start creating. Because the more you consume, the lesser chances of you starting your YouTube channel in 2023 or in 2024. So guys, you just start. Just start with what you have. There's no excuse. Maybe some of you might be like, oh, I don't have the best phone, my phone camera. You just start. You might even be shocked that maybe your videos may not be of that good quality, but you'll be shocked by the overwhelming support you might receive on your videos. You never know. Kila mtu anakuanga tu na bahati yake. You never know. Bora tu uko determined improve, learn na kukua different every day. That's what I told myself. Yeah, that's what I told myself. So just start, guys. And if you feel like you are too shy, if you are camera shy, if you are shy on camera, guys, if you are shy on camera, ebu anza na TikTok. Because okay, me, I always feel like, yes, TikTok is a bit, TikTok iko tu na mambo yake, like it's not really that serious. You know, YouTube is somehow formal and serious, but you can also be casual on YouTube depending on what you're doing. But TikTok is just mostly fun, so you can experiment this on TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok page, you need to create one and start creating content on TikTok. And Pole will be receiving feedback, getting feedback from people. Pole will be getting feedback from people. And you don't even need to focus on the feedback, because some will be positive, some will be negative. So isikuingilie. And with time, you'll start getting used to filming yourself. Pole. Then after TikTok, you can now come to YouTube. But you can also start just direct with YouTube. If you don't feel like going to TikTok, you may also start creating content just on YouTube. You don't need to go to TikTok. But TikTok is always like, ikwangi serious. So ukianza huko, at least unaweza toa uoga kidogo. Even me, when I started, guys, I didn't know anything. And I'm not perfect, guys. I'm still growing. There are a lot of things that before I do on camera, I'm always like, wow. Yes, I'm human, guys. I'm human. But I always try my best, guys. It's not easy. Let me tell you, it's not easy. Sometimes I go to film myself in the public. People are looking at you. And maybe you are just having your phone. My God, it's not easy. But you know what? I told myself that if this is what I want to do, then I have to do it. And I have to overcome all my fears to achieve my dreams, guys. Yes. So this is what I have to do. And one thing I've also noticed, that when you film more in public, you start gaining that confidence. But when you come back and start filming in the house, you're like, I don't know whether I'm making sense. Like, if you want to gain more confidence on camera, I'll suggest you to start filming on public places. Not necessarily crowded, but just somewhere mali maybe watu wanapita, watu wako, hata kwa estate, una film na mtu anakuangalia na una ignore na tena mwingine. Okay, most of them are just minding their own businesses, lakini some wanakuanga like, unajiongelesha. Sasa leo mtu anakuangalia uko, unaokopa, una pause, anapita. Kesho tena unaona mtu mwingine, siku ya tatu unasema no, hata niangalie, mimi nitaendelea. Na nilirealize that hata mimi I need to feel more on public places ndio nizoee, cause ya public bado, lakini inafaa ni improve, nijitahidi naenda places public. But guys, when you're going to film in public, you need to be very, very careful, because there are some places zenye hazikwangi safe. So city everywhere uko to una film to, you need to be very, very cautious. You understand? Lakini filming in public, pole itakusaidia ubuild your confidence unahitaji. Yeah. So me, that's what I really realized, and nitaanza kufanya more. I'll be filming more vlogs nikipata nafasi. Yes, na film public. Itafika point yenye hata nikiwa kwa crowded places, hata nikiwa wapi mtu ananiangalia na mimi na mind to business yangu na najifilm na sina issue. Yes, guys. And I hope that you'll start your channel very, very soon. Yep. I hope. Remember, you don't have to be great to start. but you have to start to be great. You just start. Just start talking to yourself. Start filming yourself doing maybe your house chores, cooking. If you love cooking, start filming yourself cooking. If you love hiking, that could be content. If you love like anything you're doing in your daily lives, just start with that. Then pole pole, content ideas will come, guys. The most important thing is to start. Stop stressing yourself, overthinking. Stop stressing yourself with thoughts of, oh, maybe my content I will not get audience on YouTube, maybe sitapata watu YouTube, maybe watu watanipenda, maybe I'm this, maybe I'm that. Enough, guys. You just put yourself out there, because you never know. You never know. So just start. Yes, just start. And I wish you well in your YouTube journey.